What's up everybody? Today I'm going to talk about this CCG mining, and after that what is this cloud mining service and is it trustable, and after that how much the price is and the profitability. So alright, as you can see, CCG is founded on 2016, and after that how to spot is this a scam company or whatsoever. So as you can see, you can read about their company. I will list the link down below, and it's a referral link that you can sign up on. So like as you can see, these faces here are not fake faces. This is the legit team. As you can see, this is very professional, as they don't dare they dare to show their face and they didn't hide their face. So this is a really good thing about it, and I did not do a background check on every one of them, but as long as they dare to put it here, and after that they have been here for like 2 years already. So as you can see, the CEO is this person, and after that their faces is all over here. unlike uh, Unlike some cloud mining services, they do not show their faces, and of course, as you can see, their payment methods, they accept payee, and after that you can use your credit card here, and after that Bitcoin, and after that other digital currency, and after that their office is here, and after that the terms and conditions, you should read it before you buy it, and after that they have their Twitter page and whatsoever, the social media link, and after that they are almost everywhere. If they can say, you can join the team if you want to work for them, and the equipment they use is the graphic card, GPU, and after that Bitmain for the ASIC miner, and after that I don't know what is this. So as you can see, let me show you. This is the dashboard area, and as you can see, the dashboard area look the same like a hash flare, and of course it is much more simple, as you can see here. So let's compare it with the dashboard here. It is definitely almost the same, and yep, it is a new cloud mining services which has been founded on 2016. And why would I say this is somehow the new best cloud mining services out there? And I would say this is the new and the best, I would say, because of the mining contracts. Alright, as you can see, the mining contract for Bitcoin, it is open-ended. So what does this mean, open-ended? If you are in Genesis mining, you want to get more mining contract, but you can't because they have sold out. And the open-ended meaning, they as long Bitcoin is profitable, they will keep mining, be it like 10 years down the road, it will continue mining. And after that the thing is, this is a new company, and after that the price of this all these mining contracts are kind of expensive. As you can see, 50 gigahash. Let's compare it with hash flare. So 50 gigahash, for 50 gigahash you can just get it alright, for 50 gigahash you can just get it at $11 on hash flare, but this is a 1 year contract, bear in your mind. So where is it? So give me a moment. Alright, as you can see down here, open ended 50 gigahash, you are gonna buy it at $20. So this is far more way expensive than hash flare, but bear in mind that this contract, once you buy it, is the same as hash flare. It is gonna start mining on the next day, but as you can see, they say not limited by time. Alright, this is open-ended, but we do not know are they gonna do the same move as hash flare, like making the open-ended contract into a 1 year or 2 year contract. We do not know if they are gonna do that. Maybe the price shows that they are not gonna do it, I do not know. But as you can see, this is $20, and after they can just simply get it at like $11 and start mining tomorrow. But bear in mind, this is 1 year, hash flare is 1 year, and CCG is open-ended, meaning somehow you can say it's a lifetime. So maybe they would not change their contract open-ended into 1 year or 2 year contract due to the price that they are charging. So this is somehow the confident level. I would say, like, if I'm charging this price, I would not really change the deal. Like, this is a good deal, open-ended. If you really want to buy some open-ended mining contracts, this would be the best option for you right now, as there's a small company, and of course I have a referral link down below. I will get commission based out of that, and after that you could just simply buy your mining contract and enjoy your profit, passive income. So like the terms and services, they do not really write about their plan. Like the open-ended contract, they do not really say about it, but they will just say the price. So they reserve to write they can change the content and or the price of the delivery goods without any notice. Meaning, I would say this content, it will be like content I would not know what is it, like maybe the maintenance fee or whatsoever, maybe the open-ended contract also. You will not know, but if you want to get in early, you could maybe get in and buy their open-ended contract for Bitcoin. And for their altcoin, it is a 2-year contract. It is running for 2 years, but it is better than Hashflare. As we all know, Hashflare is only running for 1 year. All the contract is 1 year, but for CCG is a new company, and I would say it's trustable. As you can see, they are being transparent, and you can look it up more. And after that, you can, like, they offer, of course they offer mining contracts, and the thing they offer is, as you can see, why you should invest. This is the pros and cons. And after that, I will show you something interesting. As you can see, cloud mining services, they only offers you with mining contracts, cloud mining contracts. But look at here, at CCG, they offer you mining rigs. So like, what does that mean? You can purchase a mining rig over here, and after that it will be hosted at their place, and you will be mining at your own pool. And as you can see, you can just buy, and after that simply just buy this. You can see the motherboard there contain all this, what this mining rig contain. And after that, you can calculate your profits. I wouldn't know how are you going to calculate it, but this is just simply buying the machine and hosting it there. And you will, like, they will mine it, they will help you set it up and everything, and you will just mine, and after that just collect your daily profit. So this is really awesome. Like, cloud mining services that offer this, like a mining rig, they build it up for you. As you can see on our Facebook, they have this thing here. This is what, like, the set what is one of the mining rig setup look like. And you can just buy it, and after that they will host it for you. And after that, this is your own mining pool. Instead of mining with other people, you are going to generate everything here. If you're lucky enough, if you can clear a Ethereum block, you will get like the rewards of 1 block. So as you can see here, the price and everything, they say they have the reserve and the rights to change the content. They have already highlighted it, content. So I would say maybe the contracts, maybe they'll change it from open-ended into 2 years or 1 year. We will never know. Until then, just hopefully they will not do, and they will be a better, become a leader of cloud mining. And of course, Genesis is the biggest right now, and followed by Big Club. I would say Big Club and Genesis are on par. And after that, Hashflare is the second one, but Hashflare lost a lot of trust or whatsoever because of their changing of their contracts. But Genesis, they say they would not, meaning they would not change the contract. But CCG, they do not say that they would not change the contract. So we will never know what is going to happen in the future. So like, for the payment, this is the working days to confirm your orders or whatsoever. And after that, bear in mind, for Bitcoin payment, you will get the payment at the 15 and the 16, 15 to the 16 of every month, meaning the payouts is, you only can withdraw it at the 15 and the 16, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.002 Bitcoin. So like, bear in mind that if you want to withdraw, you don't if you buy the mining contract right now, you can't withdraw it immediately the next day, but you must wait for it to be 15 and 16 of every month, then you can withdraw it. So like, this is a manual withdrawal system, so it will not be DDoS. I will say it will not be exploited by hackers. And after that, every 15 and 16 they would do a check, and after that, after you submit your withdrawal, they will process with it. And after that, it will take up to 48 hours if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2 days. So like, 15 and 16 is the working days. They're gonna do it, and after that give you your money. So the cancellation, they do not accept any refunds or returns after the sales are finalized. So like, all these, nothing. You can read it up yourself. After the private policy is almost the same, your email and address, all these. And after the affiliate agreement, you can see this is their affiliate. If you are gonna give a link around, you must read this. And after that, I have already read it, so I will just skip this part. So the profit calculator, yeah, I'm gonna show you how profitable is it. And after that, alright, let's just skip the part of the terms and conditions. Alright, example, you want to buy 1 terahash. The price of 1 terahash is 375, and after that, you would see the total investment, the return here is 443 days. And after that, I really compare it with Coin Wars, and after that, it is almost the same. And honestly, it's the same. So like, this is a far more greater and easier for you to calculate, as they will just show you the break even point here, and after that but bear in mind this is momentary, meaning whatever you see here today, it will change tomorrow or in the next week after the difficult adjustment. So like this is just over brief and overview of like how much you're gonna earn if you are gonna buy it for today. So this is like the rates that you're gonna get for the week, and of course the price here in USD is depending on Bitcoin price. So if this price went up, this one the USD value will definitely go up, and after that the Bitcoin will also go up, I would say. So like if you want to start with one terahash, you can do it, and after that you earn $1.54. So as you can see, maintenance fee is not included, so whatever you are earning here is without maintenance fee. So after maintenance fee is the same of Hashblade maintenance fee, it is also 0.000 something cents or 38 Bitcoin if I'm not wrong, as their maintenance fee is let me show you how much is the maintenance fee that they're charging and what Hashblade charge. Give me a moment finding it. Alright, it's loading. Alright, as you can see, the maintenance fee is 0.00038 Bitcoin, or in USD. Alright, it's 0.00338. If I'm not wrong, it's the same as Hashblade. Right, give me a moment, it's loading. Alright, this is the maintenance fee for my mining contract, but then it is not really showing me. Maybe I need to go to the home page or whatsoever. Alright, it's loading very slowly. I don't know why. Alright, let's continue here. So for Bitcoin mining, you are gonna break even at 243 days, and after that we bear in mind that this is open-ended, but we do not know when are they gonna change. So if they're gonna change it, you're still gonna break even at 243 days. And for Ethereum, you're gonna break even at 173. It will just, no matter how much you put in here, is the break even point is the same. So yeah, as you can see, it's the same, the break even point. So for Zcash is so far as you can see, all the break even point here is for Dash is very hard to break even, as the profitability is damn high, and after that this is a 2-year contract, so nobody should buy Dash mining contract. For Litecoin, you're gonna break even within a year. So within 1 year you're gonna break even, and after that the next year you're gonna make profit. For Monero, you're gonna break even almost at 1 year. So this is the same. And for Zcash is now the most profitable mining contract out there. So you can break even at 136 days for the price, and after that for 2 years the contract will run. For Ethereum, it is 173. So Bitcoin is somehow the middle of profitability. You're gonna break even point at 243 days. So open-ended contract, is it worth it? Yes, but we do not know if they're gonna change the contract or whatsoever. So they have their Facebook page and everything, you can check it out. And alright, the page is loaded. So alright, as you can see, alright, for maintenance fee they are charging 0.005 this script, so it's 0.0035. So what they are charging right here is, let me see, where is it? Alright, it is 0.00038. so the maintenance fee here is far more cheaper than Hashblade. So but the price here is far more expensive than Hashblade, and but this is a new company that have being created on 2016. So this company has been so far 1 year plus going 2 year if I'm not wrong. So you can read you can look at their Facebook, and of course they have legit mining rigs they are showing you on their video. And after that you can check out the YouTube video, just click on this, and after that you can see the other YouTube video they have posted. And so far I would say this is a new mining company that is going to if they do not change their mining their open-ended mining contracts, they are going to be somehow the next Genesis mining out there, which is giving 2 years contract of for altcoin, and after that for Bitcoin is open-ended, but the price, if the price uh, being like comparing it with Genesis mining, so far Genesis mining is the far more the most cheapest, the most trustable, and the most great deal out there. But the next I would say is Hashflare, but the Hashflare is 1 year contract, everything here is 1 year. So like for CCG it is 2 year, and after that open-ended, why not try it? Like anyways, like Genesis mining has already ran out of stock for all their mining contract, meaning from all the way from Bitcoin to Dash to Monero to Litecoin or whatsoever, or for Ethereum, everything is run out, so you can't purchase anything right now there. So we have to wait for their stock to be in. So while waiting, you want to like maybe earn some cash right now, like earn some passive income, you can come over to CCG. The link I will put it down below. You can sign it up, and after that uh, of course the test the water and whatsoever. But I would say this is a legit company. They have legit people behind it, and after that they have shown their video, and you can see, as you can see, they have their own shirt, and this is the company that is in Poland. So if I'm not wrong, it's in Poland, yeah. So this is, I would say this is a legit company. As you can see, the dashboard is quite nice and easy, but they can improve on it. And of course that's all for this video. Like, this is an introduction of CCG mining. So if you guys are really keen and whatsoever, you can just join it, and after that use my link down below, and after that I'll earn some commission, and after that of course it's a way of supporting me, cause I will not really start buying mining contracts right now, as I'm saving up to buy my big to join into Big Club network, and after that from there I will earn more profit, and after that I will diversify everything, and after that in the future, maybe 6 months or 8 months later, I will be able to show you guys and buy contracts on the spot. If I find any new things or ICO, I would definitely invest into it. But now I'm not really that rich and not really making that much out of cryptocurrency. So that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video, and of course leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification to know my next update. Peace.